Hi, my name is Andrew Matthews. Today we'll be looking at a Vans ad. We'll look at what we like about it and then how we could replicate it for future messaging and getting more ads that way. So to begin with, let's look at the original ad. So here's the first one. It says they will never quit, Vans original since 1996. We got a logo here and a few different type of shoes. One's obviously dirty, one's not. Now we'll look what works in this to kind of get that image that they will never quit and that kind of durability. Let's go ahead and look here. The first thing is the photography. As you can tell, it blurs out the background. The only thing that's really in focus is kind of the shoes and this kind of bottom floor near it. Makes it really show the contrast between the two shoes and that they can kind of go the distance. Next, we have the alignment. What I like about this alignment is we're trying to get that message of durability in the shoes, right? Then push all the alignment to the right so they can look at the image. And then you can read what it's about and it's more pleasing to the eye. You don't really get a headache from looking at it. Now for the color. Now we have like this light brown back here with this dark blue, this white and the red. The white and the red, you can really see the symbol of Vans, and that's something we want to keep in mind. Same over here with the white and the red, as well as this black here makes it easier to read. And then this dark blue makes it stick out from that mute brown in the background, so you can really see what's going on. Now we're going to look at kind of a new ad and how we can implement the same kind of strategies to make a good ad and how we can use that in the future. All right, so we're going to begin showing you what's similar and then what's different. So here, just right off the bat with the ad in general, we basically took the same idea, took the shoes, made them kind of cleaner, and then kind of put them on the outside. As you can see here in the background, it's kind of blurred. Now we did that by using a blur filter from Photoshop to make sure that the focus is on the shoe specifically, because that's what you actually want to pay attention to. Next, with the layout, we kept it kind of the same, how everything's to the left this time, to the right, but the text itself is still right aligned like the other is. We just kind of moved it to the left to make it a little bit different. But it's kind of the same thing. We put everything to the left. We have shoes for any trip, a little bit different, but same kind of message. We have the same text here and that symbol as well to make sure the brand's still. And of course the differences I mentioned a little bit before, but basically we have clean shoes here and a blurred image in the background, and this is outside. We're not in a muted house. So it's kind of going after that kind of idea that Vans are adventurous and something you can take on the go as well as an everyday shoe. But we're just trying to drive home that idea that it is a shoe that's going to last. Now, something that we want to keep in mind is Vans off the wall kind of identifies with shoes that are going to kind of go the distance. Like Vans started for skateboarding and extreme sports and that sort of thing. So if we can just follow that same kind of thought of showing the shoe as an adventurous thing or something else like that, then I think we'll be able to get a lot more ads. Same way.